Good evening, folks. Welcome to tonight's editions of Stocks and Slaps with Joe Man. Rip Roaring Monday, folks. Dow Jones today was up 373 points. Fantastic day on the market. My portfolio, it wasn't horrible, but it wasn't a 373 point day for me. But it did finish in the positive, so that was good. Before we get started, I hope everybody please click that like and subscribe button. It would be greatly appreciated. So here we are, April 5th, first day of the market. Hoping we can have a few days like this in a row. I know Powell comes out and gives his weekly analysis and forecast of the economy coming out on Wednesday. So I expect some swings one way or the other at that point on the market. But hopefully he has some positive news, as it seems like everything's starting to recover and everything's, the sun is shining bright. So let's look at today's topic, shall we? So the first thing we're going to look at is we're going to look at the Dow, as it had an amazing record-breaking day today, with 373.89 points. We're going to look at the top sectors today. And also, we're going to look at PFMT. And if y'all have been following any of my other videos, I put this in my watch list the other day, and wow is all I'm going to say. Wow. And we're going to take a brief look at AMC. AMC had some positive movement today, and we're going to look at my positions. And again, just a reminder, if you would, please click that like and subscribe button. That would be fantastic. All right, so let's look at the Dow. So the Dow today, like I said, this thing was up 373 points today. What a rocking Monday. Mondays for the past 3 weeks have all been very well. This has been one of the better Mondays, which I expected this Monday to be really well, since the jobs report came out on Friday during when the market was closed, and it was a great jobs report. So I expected the market to react to this on Friday, which it did, as expected. The S&P was up today as well. Apparently the stock futures are flat after the Dow S&P 500 closed at record. So a little flat market here right now in the post market, or AKA the futures. What else we got here? March jobs report gives the Fed room to keep interest rates low, Jim Cramer says. Okay. Dover Corp stock outperforms market on strong trading day. That's good. Look at anything here that just stands out. Okay, so let's jump into it, folks. Let's look at today's top performing sectors, shall we? Let's look at that for a minute till I get this thing up and rolling. And here we go. So today, all these sectors were green except two. Your top performing sector today was consumer staples. Your second was your communication services, and then followed by information technology. So for the most part, you couldn't go wrong today, as all the sectors were green other than two. And those two, again, energy, again, is the worst performing sector. And it has been for the last couple weeks anyway, maybe even 3 weeks. Energy sector has been very bad. So now there's obviously some bargains in the energy sector right now. It's just a matter of when is the energy sector going up. All the other sectors seem to be moving along and recovering nicely. But energy is definitely taking a back seat to that. So one thing I mentioned earlier, I want to look at here, and I mentioned this company. Thursday of last week. So let's look at this chart here. Now this is PFMT, a quick company profile. This Performant Financial Corporation provides technology-enabled recovery-related analytic services in the United States. The company services identify the recovered, delinquent, or defaulted assets and proper payments for both government and private clients in a range of markets. The company provides its services on an outsourced basis where the company handles many of all aspects of its clients' recovery process. So it's a recovering agency of recovering obviously recovering delinquent and fraudulent assets. So that's what it does. But look at this. Today up 56 cents. Wow, right? I mean, look at this price. So, for instance, if you had if you owned a lot of this, you could make a lot. You could have made a lot of money, right? But hey, that's not the story on this. But look at this. I put this in my watch list on Thursday. This was a topic. It was just one of the big moving company on that market on that Thursday. This thing had a major jump, and this was the major jump on that Thursday, right? Look at this. So this thing was trading at about $1.50 at the end of the 29th. Opening bell on the 30th. This thing jumped all the way up to, $2.30 a share or something like that. Then it had a little slight dip that next day. But ever since then, it's just continuously going up. And look at these staircase trends up, right? I mean, this thing was at $1.50 on the 30th. And now, but look at this trend here. It's hard. When this was in my watch list at $1.72, I was talking about this today. If I would have invested, say, the $5K into this company, right now I would have made around $3,000 or $4,000 profit right now, and still not looking to quite sell. Why? Because the trend is still going up. It's just a matter of how high is this going to go, folks. I mean, this is unbelievable. Now, I'll show you why this company went up from the beginning. Why was this that big mover that day? The performance financials are trading happier after the company reported results of $68.5 million, up 58% from last year. And with that 58%, uptick in gain from last year, it's definitely reflecting here daily with this company, on the thing. Now, I'm not saying today would be the day to get into it. It's kind of like you feel like it's going to have to stop going up. It can't just keep going up like this every day, but is it? Is it not? But this was put in my watch list on Thursday at $1.70, and it would have been nice to have invested in this, because there definitely would have been some money. Performant Financial Corp. So that was very, I just want to talk about that note. And if anybody has any insight on this company, please comment below my video. That would be fantastic. All right, so we're going to look at AMC real quick here. AMC had a positive day today, up $1.25. Over 13% gain today. Wow. Like I said, it's not about valuations and fundamentals, but this is quite of an exciting topic to talk about, because if I'm a gambling man, and I am, it's hard to say which way is this sucker going to go. You thinking it lost over 10% on Friday, so you would think the bleeding's going to begin. We're falling out of the sky, and then it recovers like instantly. It definitely reacted with the market today. The market was, over 380 points, and here we go, folks. AMC continuously surprises me. Maybe it could be because the here we go, some Godzilla breathes fire back into the theater chain. So a lot of people may have invested in AMC today because of the Godzilla and King Kong movie. Maybe so. I might even go see that this weekend. So I guess that's probably much been the only buzz of AMC of here recent. I'm really not a movie goer or follower, but I have heard, I've heard a few people talk about this Godzilla King Kong movie, even on the radio. So maybe that's what it takes to get the excitement back in AMC, and it reacted, and it's performing well. What's it going to do tomorrow? I don't know. It actually had a day's high today of $11.25 and a day's low of $1.72. So, a lot of action here, folks. A lot of action with this. Currently, there's a bid and ask of $2,500 over $4,600. So just a little bit less buying scheduled in the pre-market. or the post-market, shall I say, and a few more orders to be sold, a few people cashing in on that. I don't know. Like I said, I can't, it's hard for me to give an accurate forecast of what this is going to do tomorrow because it's you just don't know. Like I said, we're not going about valuations and fundamentals. This company was trading at $7.50 a share in January of 2020. Why is it trading at $10.60 now? It's not because of valuations and fundamentals. So there you go. That's AMC. Briefly, we'll talk about what did I do today. Well, my account, it did go into green. It wasn't as fruitful as the overall market. I was up 0.80%, up $87.20. I was really hoping to crack that 11K today, but I didn't. But these were my companies today. MRMD, it had a 1 cent, almost 2 cent drop today. Nothing really exciting there. SDPI dropped 3 cents today. Like I said, at 88 cents. I'm in at $1.18. MRMD is going to be my long-term marijuana position. So I'm not, what this does daily, I'm not really concerned. It's the long term, but I'm really excited about. MRMD has great valuations and fundamentals. If you are into the marijuana sectors, I would definitely look at that one. SDPI, like I said, I've been holding it now for about a month. I'd really like to dump this sucker. I'm in at $1.18, currently down $425 on 1,409 shares. Every time I make a sale, I do try to average down on this a little bit, but it's an eyesore. PFIE, even though the energy sector was the worst performing sector today, PFIE was performed very great today for me. It had an 8 cent gain, up 7.14%. I own 1,700 shares. Now, unfortunately, my strike price is $1.37, so I need a few more days like this in a row to get back into the green. So, maybe if PFIE can maintain this path, I don't know what made it go positive today because all the other energy sectors were bad and there was no news. Hudson, the industrial air conditioning company, it had a positive day today, again, up 5 cents. I am in the green in this one. I am currently up $97.88 overall. Not quite swing trade opportunity yet, but it's definitely getting close. And I do have it in the green if I do see another opportunity. Like I said, my strike price of that is $1.62. It is now at $1.71, 1,125 shares, up 56.25. NYMT, this is my biggest position currently, 1,000 shares, current account value of $4,520. I am currently down $8 total in this company, as my strike price is $1.52 with NYMT, and today's price is $4.52. Well, folks, that will do it for today. Not a pretty good market, pretty good day today on the market for this Monday. I like to start out green. That's what I did. That's what AMC did. So check out PFMT. It's very interesting. I'm looking for a buy opportunity there, but when it's already went up $1 in the last 2 days, I'm like, how high is it going to go? So I'm just watching it and just more like counting back if I would have bought it 3 or 4 days ago and how much money I'd be at now. That's just more entertainment now. I don't know if it's a buy opportunity because it's never been this high, but it's going. It's a rocket ship, but is it going to? Who knows? But anyways, hope y'all have a fantastic night. Please click that like and subscribe button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you.